So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You've made it up until the final lesson of this course. Now, this course around AI production wouldn't be complete if we didn't tap in potentially the highest leverage tool, again, that you can utilize in your content production process, again, while utilizing the power of our artificial intelligence. Now, a complete content creator, right, leverages both long form content and short form content. But here's the thing, long form content and short form content appeal to two completely different target avatars. As you can imagine, long form content on YouTube, right? 10-minute content pieces, 20-minute content pieces appeal to completely different people than short form content on TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, right? And content that is distributed on Instagram Reels, again, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok has a completely different format, right? It's way shorter. It has a completely different pacing, completely different editing. But again, the format, the pacing, and the editing can be streamlined and automated while using artificial intelligence. Now, back in the day, in conventional content creation and conventional content production, a content creator would produce long form videos on YouTube and would have his content safe house, let's say on YouTube, but also would have to produce short form videos, again, completely from scratch and edit these short form videos, which is a completely different, let's say, ideology and approach and requires completely different skills to also grab attention from short form content and bring people from short form content to his YouTube long form content safe house. Nowadays, this can be completely automated and streamlined. So, a current modern content creator who utilizes the power of artificial intelligence only needs to produce YouTube long form content and automatically, right, redistribute this long form content to short form content pieces. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this lesson right here. Now, in this lesson, we're moving out of Hagen and we're going to be utilizing a completely different tool that is, again, completely free for you to use, that turns long form content pieces, right? One, let's say, 1 hour video or one 30-minute video into multiple digestible short form content videos that you can directly download, right, and distribute to short form content platforms. I don't know if you understand the huge leverage and the huge opportunity here, but again, just by producing one long form content video, you will now have 10 or 20 different short form content, again, pieces, which is absolutely amazing. So let me show you exactly which software we're going to be using and how to actually gain, let's say, 10 or 20 different short form content pieces from one YouTube long form content video. So the software that we're going to be using for this is called Opus Clip. Now, Hagen has its instant highlights tool, but I feel like Opus Clip is just better. So again, to transform one YouTube long form video to 10 viral clips, we're going to be using Opus Clip. And again, the process is insanely straightforward. What you do is that you drop the video link of one video that you have potentially produced, and you just click on Get Free Clips, and you wait a bit. You wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes as Opus Clip is just analyzing your video, right? And performing all of the changes that need to be done to convert this video into short form content clips. So let's just see some examples here. And by the way, your video doesn't need to even be uploaded on YouTube. You can also upload files directly from your computer here. So what you do is that you, again, just input long form videos like 20 minutes, 140 minutes, 2 hours, right? And you gain clips and you have all of these clips that are optimized for different platforms. You can optimize them for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for TikTok, for Facebook, for X, and this can be done over and over and over again with so many different videos of yours, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. Now, what are the features of Opus Clip and what will be the conversion of your long-form videos to short-form videos? As you can see, what again Opus Clip does is that it adds captions, right? So it adds AI captions to your videos, which, by the way, you can go ahead and edit after they have been added. So if you don't like these captions that Opus Clip has added, you can completely change the captions, right? So it adds captions, which, by the way, like, back in the day, it would be a very, let's say, time-consuming process to add captions, especially even more back in the day, let's say 3 years or 4 years ago where captions needed to be added like completely manually. You have AI reframe. So again, your videos are completely reframed regardless of how they have been shot, which is insane. They also add B-roll to your videos, again, completely with AI without you needing to source the B-roll footage. Opus Clip just adds B-roll on top of your videos. They auto enhance the audio of your clips, even if you haven't shot your videos with a professional microphone. Let's say, again, Opus Clip just performs some audio enhancement, and you also have AI voiceover if you want to, again, create short form videos from scratch. This is an awesome software that I have been utilizing for multiple months now, and I can tell you something that as time passes, Opus Clip becomes more powerful and more powerful. So again, it is a completely streamlined and automated way to turn long form videos to short form videos. Because as I mentioned in the introductory of this lesson right here, currently a modern content creator that utilizes the power of artificial intelligence only needs to produce long form videos on YouTube, because short form videos are taken care of by these AI mechanisms like Opus Clip. So let me show you exactly inside of Opus Clip how everything looks once you again import a long form video to be converted to short form viral clips, right? So if I click on my dashboard and we actually log in inside of Opus Clip, you can see that these 3 videos here, which are again YouTube long form videos. And let's check out, for example, this video right here, which again I've added for demonstrative purposes, and it's a video from Danny Duncan, right? And it's called 24 Hours with Danny Duncan, right? The 150 million YouTuber building a city. Or we also have like this, let's say, sitting down headshot type of video, which is called Curry Drills 12 threes, including the game winner. And it's a 2-hour video. So let's actually click on this one, right? And what we did is that we copied the link, sorry, of this video. We pasted it on Opus Clip, and now all of these different clips have been generated like completely automatically. Now, what Opus Clip also does is that it gives you a virality score. So for example, this clip right here has a 99 viral score. So the likelihood that this video will go viral is, let's say, 99 based on the scale of Opus Clip, right? This has a 96 viral score, or a 92 viral score, or an 89 viral score. So obviously you have different levels of fluctuation between the viral score. For example, this has a 65 viral score, which isn't that potent and that powerful as a 99 viral score. But just look at how many short form clips we gained just from one long form video, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 short form videos just from one long form video, which is absolutely insane. And let's go ahead and actually see one of the short form clips. Let's check out this one. Check this out.
Get to see the space, because for some kids it's like cool to just come here and look at it because we film here so much.
Is it you have the I Love Hot Moms?
You want to go in there?
Yeah, let's go.
So it's edited, it has captions, and it gives you also the transcript of the video and what's happening inside of the video. It analyzes the scene and why exactly it thinks that this video could go viral. And it also gives you a title. So for example, this title is Hilarious Hoodie Trend Goes Viral. I Love Hot Moms. Right? So the conversation at the food truck window continues between the two men. Inside the food truck, one man shows various merchandise item to another. So you can see, again, the transcript of the video, again, the scene analysis of the video, and you can also go ahead and re-edit this clip, have an AI hook, then add sound, right, to your content if you want like a completely artificial intelligence voice to add a hook to this video. You can enhance the speech, add B-roll, and also change the aspect ratio of the video, which are all of the different parameters that, again, we analyzed that Opus Clip can actually change. And this, again, applies to all of the different videos that we generated here. Let's say this one, for example, right? Check this out.
And then during the hurricane, it was very helpful. We could deliver stuff to cops or firefighters or whoever, and we could get anywhere. So it did come in handy there, and made me feel a little bit better about the purchase, because I was glad to be able to help a little bit. Then,
how crazy is this? And all of this is like completely automated. It almost costs nothing, especially if you have the free version of Opus Clip. It's super straightforward, and you literally have no excuses not to use Opus Clip if you are producing long form videos. So you can, I guess, imagine like all of the different approaches that you can take with this and all of the different like types of content that you can leverage. You can turn podcasts, you can turn talking head videos that you have been talking to the camera for like 10 minutes, and then you can just cut them down into multiple short form video clips. Then you can also automate the uploading process into all of these different short form content algorithms. You can upload them directly from Opus Clip to Instagram, to X, to LinkedIn, to YouTube Shorts, to Reels. So again, your reach has now at least 10x. And of course, due to the fact that the current market is structured around attention, the theory behind also uploading short form videos rather than only long form videos on YouTube is that you captivate attention with short form videos and you funnel this attention into your content safe house, which is YouTube. And this is like absolutely completely mind blowing. So I suggest you to check out Opus Clip if you want to also engage with artificial intelligence in the short form content space. And also stay tuned because I'm also going to be producing a complete AI short form content masterclass. Now, enough with this lesson. I'm going to see you in the final thank you message of this course with a small gift for you.